Hey everyone, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the oil on a 2004 to 2011 Ford Focus. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the oil in this 2010 Ford Focus, and procedures will be similar on other Focus models from 2004 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface. Chock the rear wheels. Lift and support the front end of the car. Slide an oil drain pan under the oil drain plug and use a 13mm socket to loosen it. Take the plug the rest of the way off by hand and wait for the oil to drain completely. Once the oil has drained, use a rag or shop towel to wipe down the oil pan and drain plug. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to 21 foot-pounds. Now make sure the drain pan is underneath the oil filter and use your oil filter wrench to loosen the filter. Then remove it by hand. Once all the oil is drained, wipe down the area with a rag or shop towel so you get a good seal when you install your new filter. Make sure the old O-ring came off with the filter you removed. Use some fresh oil to lubricate the O-ring on your new filter and thread it into place. Once it's in contact with the sealing surface, tighten it 3/4 of a turn. Lower your front end. Now open the hood and remove the oil fill cap. Add 4.5 quarts of 5W20 synthetic motor oil. Synthetic isn't required, but is recommended. Once you've added the oil, use the dipstick to check the level. If the level's good, start the car and let it run for a few minutes, and check for any leaks. If there are no leaks, turn off the car and check the oil level again. Add oil if needed. Replace the oil fill cap and close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.